What do you got?
So,
Show me it.
this is the, tattoo thing.
Let me see how the thing goes.
So, it's like an air marker thing. So, you take the marker and you stick it in this hole.
Yeah.
And then you just press this button.
Yeah, let me hear it.
But it'll squirt out.
Oh, push it without it. Alright, do a little bit. Hurry up. I don't want to take a long time to upload. Okay.
You can't even see it. It might not work that well. See anything?
I don't know. Let me see. Come here. Come close to me so I can see.
I don't see no marker. Maybe this
Any marker.
I don't think that marker works.
Okay, try the other one.
Let's try the other one. And the red doesn't work because it's gold. It has no cap.
I want one.
I'll give you one. Oh, I think this works. Yep, I think it works, but I think it's like different color.
Shake it. You gotta let it dry.
I think it worked, but I'm not sure.
Alright, let's look after.